Okay, boys and girls, so we have learned everything we needed to learn in this chapter, and now you're going to do this page almost like when we take a religion test in school, okay? So I put up a PDF and hopefully got it printed out. But if you can't and you just want to write them down on a piece of paper, that's fine too. Just writing the answers. You don't have to write out the whole question. Just number one and the word. That's your answer. I'm doing that pointing thing again. I keep forgetting that you can't see me doing that. Okay. So you can see my face, but you can't see my fingers when I touch the screen. Okay, so I'm going to read a question and pause so that you have a minute to answer it. But you can also hit pause on this video, okay? So take your time, don't rush. All right, so let me slide down a little. We are on page 94, which you don't even have to look for because it's just printed. Number 1, Jesus shares God's life with us in blank of the sacraments. And you're going to choose the word that best completes this sentence. So, does Jesus share God's life with us in each of the sacraments, which is the first word, or some of the sacraments, the second one? Okay. Give a minute. Like we're on Jeopardy. Okay. Number 2. Blank gave us the sacraments. The first word says Peter, and the second says Jesus. Who gave us the sacraments? Number 3. The church celebrates blank sacraments. Does the church celebrate 7 sacraments, which is the first word, or 10 sacraments, the second word? Give a minute. Okay, number 4. Blank is a special word we use when we worship God. Is that word hello or alleluia? Hello is the first and alleluia is the second. Blank is a special word we use when we worship God. Number 5. Jesus blank with others to worship God. The first word is did, and the second word is did not. Jesus blank gather with others to worship God. Did Jesus gather and meet with others to worship God, or didn't he? That's kind of how it's worded a little funny, but that's what it means. All right. And then the bottom, what are some special words and actions we use to worship God? I want you to think about when you're at church. What happens at church when we're praying? What do we do? What do we say? Just write like one thing. It can be 1 word, 2 words, all right? Not a lot. Do your best, don't worry. I know it's different. Usually we do this one together and then I make your test off of it, but I just thought I'd give you this to do just to see, make sure you got all the important points of this chapter in this weird way that we had to learn it, okay? I'm sure you'll do it.